He has been trying to guess where we're going, and he's not even come close. Officers up ahead. What's going on?
Dang. Fire it up, boy, let's go! Get ready. At your moment, we are about to see this high.
Hello y'all and welcome back. Today is October 17th and tomorrow I have a surprise date planned for me and Brent, and he has no idea where we're going or what we're doing. I bought the tickets for this back on September 9th, I believe, and I'm trying to think if I want to tell y'all what it is or if y'all should just be, well, actually y'all are going to know by the title of this video, so I'll just go ahead and tell you guys since Brent isn't here yet. We are going to the Wings Over Northeast Georgia air show, and we have been to an air show before in Florida. I think it was in like 2023, and he had a blast. He's a huge airplane fan. In another life he would be a pilot, I guess, but yeah, he just loves all things airplanes, so he's gonna have a blast. And ever since I got the tickets and told him that I had a surprise date planned, he has been trying to guess where we're going, and he's not even come close any time he's guessed. And I didn't even tell him what direction we were going. The only hint I gave him was that we're going 3 hours away from here. And so I'm gonna wait until he gets here, and then I will go over there and we will see what his final guesses are before we leave tomorrow morning. Hey, honey!
Hey, I know where we're going.
Oh, you do?
I was thinking about it coming up the road.
Where are we going?
A zoo.
Okay.
You're taking me to a zoo.
Okay.
I don't know which one, because I just did my research.
You've been researching what's
Atlanta.
3 hours from here?
It could be Memphis Zoo. It could be Knoxville Zoo. Let's see here. I still got it pulled up. Chattanooga Zoo. Heck, I don't know.
Well, are you excited to be surprised tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm scared too.
I'm scared too.
I like surprises. They scare me.
Yeah. Hang on. Can y'all see me better now? So I'm going to be driving tomorrow, and I'm going to have the maps. I'm going to try to hide it, so he's literally not going to know until we get there. But anyways, I'm going to...
I know.
Oh, he knows, he said. He don't know. He don't have a clue. So anyways, I'm gonna go inside and cook dinner and then get ready for tomorrow. So I guess we will see you guys bright and early in the morning. And when I say bright and early, we have to get up at like 4 something because we have to leave no later than 5:15. So this is gonna be interesting.
I hate to break it to you, but it ain't gonna be bright at 4:15.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be dark and early. All right, well I'll see y'all then. Good night. Good morning, y'all. Good morning, sweetie.
Good morning.
We got up at 4 a.m. this morning. Well, I did. He got up at like 4:45.
Yeah.
And then he gets to sleep for 2 more hours on the road.
I probably won't.
Oh. But anyways, we're gonna head to Chick-fil-A. I told him that earlier and he was like, which Chick-fil-A are we going to? I'm like, not the one here. Alright, we made a pit stop at the Blairsville Chick-fil-A. We're about 1 hour and 3 minutes into our trip, so we got I think about 2 hours left. So, any newer guesses? I did give him another hint besides that we're 3 hours away. I told him that my grandpa Bobby would have loved to have come to something like this. He would have had a heyday. I know he would have. That's his only other hint he gets. Now he thinks we're going to an old car show.
That would be alright with me.
Update for y'all. We just got the car from Chick-fil-A. And there was an old, what was it, Mustang or something?
I don't know what it was.
Some kind of old car just drove by. And Brent was like, see, I told you we're going to the car show, see?
So I headed there too. Here, go drive by. Hey, show them. There it is.
This is so funny. Right, everybody. Brent made me do a drive-by so y'all can see it. Oh, that's so funny. He thinks we're going to a car show.
And now I know it's true because you get the camera out when I say car show.
No, I'm just trying to update the vlog.
And you know I'm onto something, so you want to vlog it.
We'll see when we get there.
Yeah, we're going to a car show.
Look, there's another old car.
Oh, they're going to Buc-ee's. And then they'll be over soon after.
And then they'll be over to the show.
Something's going on.
So, what do you think? We're about 30 minutes away, y'all. And he still ain't got a clue. I wish y'all could hear all the ideas he's been throwing out.
I know I've had to say it.
He said at least 20 different things. Yesterday he said we was going to goat yoga. Oh, can y'all see Brent doing goat yoga? That back arched. And then he thought we was going over here to go to a big dirt bike race. And then I was like, oh, is that why I told you to wear your walking shoes?
That would be fun. We're not far enough north to be going to one. I thought we might be going to.
Oh, okay.
We'd have to be way on up in Tennessee. We're not even in Tennessee.
Where are we at?
I think we're still in Georgia, but we're real close to Alabama. Because I've raced dirt bikes over here.
Oh, yeah.
Wow!
We seen old cars everywhere.
That is nice. That was beautiful.
Brent said he was going to ask him how far away the car show was.
I know it's got to be about 20 minutes.
Oh, this is so funny. Well, is he turning right here? Or is he going somewhere
He ain't
else?
turning.
He ain't turning?
He's taking the other way.
Oh, okay. He going the back road. Maybe he needs to go get some stuff before he comes to the car show. You think? You're sick? Why?
Nervous.
Don't be nervous. You're gonna have a blast, sweetie pie. I told him we was 11 minutes away. Now he's over here about to throw up.
I'm not gonna throw up. I am nervous. Look, there's 2 more Jeeps heading to this Jeep invasion.
Okay. Lazy Creek Farms left at the lot. Oh, pumpkins and more.
It drove me 3.5 hours to a pumpkin patch, I swear.
That would be so funny. That would be something I would do, though.
Oh, yeah.
I'm glad you missed what that sign said.
What? Uh-oh. A regional airport?
Uh-oh.
Is there an air show going on over here?
I was supposed to turn and I missed it. Hang on.
Russell Regional Airport.
Yeah, you think this is where they have the car show?
This on the
Look, there's a fire truck.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, dang.
Officers up ahead. What's going on?
Dang. This must be a serious event right here.
No.
I'm gonna ask this guy what they got going on in here. Uh-oh. What is that?
I got papers. Hey.
Hey, Airshow.
Uh-huh.
Which apartment house you got?
Oh, this one.
Tier 3. You're gonna hang a right. The gate will be on your left.
Okay, thank you.
That man answered my question. Air show.
Yeah.
Whoa. Let me see that paper.
We're going to Wings over North Georgia Air Show.
Okay, dokie.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Now, you remember when I was asking you if you knew about the government shutting down yesterday? Remember
Yeah.
me asking you about that? So unfortunately, the Blue Angels, it didn't fit in their budget to make it today, so they're out.
The Blue Angels are here?
Yeah, they were supposed to be here, but their budget bill didn't get passed to come fly today, so they've been grounded.
What the heck?
There's plenty of other
It's
shows
okay.
though, yeah. Now also they have a military helicopter here that you can ride in, and if you want to do that,
Whoa!
I'll pay for
A
it.
military helicopter?
It's an old one. I ain't even gonna try to say it because I won't say it right. But if you want to, we can go over there and sign up for it right now. That's why I wanted to get here early, because you have to buy tickets on site for it.
That sounds fun.
Let's go do it outside. Right, we made it in. Gonna walk around and look at some cool stuff. We on the runway, old son. He's just vibing.
Hey, I like it.
Wow, we're in this thing, old son. What you think about it?
Fire it up, boy. Let's go. Bother you for long. I just wanted to come check it out.
Come on up.
You got a big line back there.
Yeah, it's all right. Yeah.
This is awesome.
Yeah, cool. Here you are. You stick your head out the window, you can see the engine, see what the pilot sees. So, yeah.
You fly this thing?
Oh, I did in the past.
Yeah, I need to fly in that.
Before you fly in a helicopter, though, there's one more test you have to pass, and that is you must survive a safety briefing from me.
Excited.
He's excited. We're about to get on this helicopter that's coming. We got our headset. Yeah. Come on up.
Got another $180. Go again.
You'll go again. I don't know.
No, we gotta go ride the airplane in a little
We
while.
got such a good seat on that, sitting on the outside.
Yeah,
It
you
felt
definitely
like
got to
a-
get the side seat.
Yeah, it
the
felt like
gunner
a
seat.
roller coaster ride or something, because the plane would go,
plane?
or not the plane, the helicopter. It would go from
wild.
like side to side. Yeah,
That
so
was way
cool.
better than the beach.
Oh, you like
The
that?
beach was awesome, but that's cool. Like, that's from the Vietnam era. Like,
Yeah.
that's legit. That's a
Yeah.
real helicopter.
That's
right
a real Army, U.S. Army helicopter right there that we just rode in. That was awesome. Look at this cute little thing. Oh, it's got 2 seats, one for
I'd
me
fall
and
asleep
you.
in this thing. Look how comfortable it is.
I know you would. You didn't have to have me drive.
There ain't enough storage for all of your crap in this one.
True. Yeah, you picked that log up. Oh yes, we found the bunk cakes, y'all. Huge shout out to the Nothing Bunk Cakes lady. She gave us these for free.
Yeah.
She could
And
tell I really loved them, so she was like, y'all just have a good day. Oh,
Yeah,
y'all
so
go check them out.
That saved us $14 because they were 7 a piece.
Yes.
And she gave us 3 coupons for buy
That's so
one, get one
nice.
free.
Y'all
so.
need to go check out their location. I've barely gotten like 3 or 4 bites in. His is gone. That's how much we love them.
They're good.
In just a few moments, we are going to see some of the world's greatest aviators as we set the stage, the open sky. We will see the Chuters parachute team as they help open our show with our American flag in tow. With sleek delta wing and forward-mounted canards, it's efficient, fast, and it can fly over 1,000 nautical miles on a single tank of fuel. And it cruises at over 200 miles an hour. Kyle brought it to us all the way from Alberta, Canada, to be with us here this weekend. They're going to configure themselves into the hovering configuration now as we prepare to see how TFOs can in fact rappel off the side of a helicopter. This takes a great deal of training and coordination by all involved. You will see that the ropes have been deployed. These are called Fry's ropes, the Fry system that stands for Fast Rope Insertion and Extraction System. It was developed to quickly insert troops into an environment where the helicopter could not safely land. And you can see just how quickly they work their way down in that rappelling configuration. Demonstrating now the SPIES extraction system. Let's make some noise for our troopers at the Georgia State Patrol. Cuban 8. A 5/8 loop with a 180-degree roll on the backside for the first half, and he will do so again, inscribing a big figure 8 land on the side. Pounds of thrust. Bill Braack has challenged Melissa Burns to a race, and in just a moment we are about to see this high-performance jet vehicle as Bill Braack takes on our runway out in front of us. Those afterburner flames coming out the back, nearly 75 feet long. They're tartan Bill just a bit as he continues to work the afterburner and the flame coming out the back of that J-34 jet engine. In fact, the same power plant used on board the U.S. Navy's T-2 Buckeye jet trainer. Over the course of several decades, Melissa Burns, she's inbound now, upside down. Melissa Burns is committed as this race is about to be history, and seconds are now in 3, 2, 1, and we're race on. There's 100, there's 150, there's 200, 324 miles an hour. How about that, ladies and gentlemen? Please welcome to the 2025 Wings over North Georgia Airshow, Melissa Burns and the Edge 540. Putting the aircraft seemingly into park as she performs a bit of a torque roll maneuver and dishes out of it at about 2,200 feet above the ground. With a series of rolls on the downline, she will trade all of that energy for the kinetic power that she needs to perform these incredible gyroscopic maneuvers. Melissa Burns, an individual who graduated from Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. She's one of the top air show performers in the nation today. Her adventures in flight began with her grandma in a simple Cessna 150 Aerobat when she was still a small child. She went on to become a champion rock climber in high school and played for the Embry-Riddle Varsity Men's Soccer Club. Subsequently, she went on to start the women's first varsity team, and she's always wanted to fly and refine her skills, and it was in 2004 that she participated in the U.S. National Advanced Championships, placing first in the unknown category of competition. Working their way out in front of us are a couple of individuals, and they are our pole holders, where in a moment Melissa Burns is going to attempt to cut a series of ribbons strung between the poles out there held by our pole holders. And right through that top ribbon with just the tail of her aircraft. Let's see if she can do it. There it is, and there's the slice. Another big round of applause for Melissa Burns. Yoak completing that the 16-point precision roll. action now as these two very significant vintage military aircraft are paired wingtip to wingtip in this North America's finest. And there's the cross by Jerry Jive Kirby and Scott Scooter Yoak. How about a big round of applause? Up and here we go. Oh yeah! Looks like Bill Braack took it by just about a nose. For the next 13 or so minutes, we'll showcase to you some dynamic and opposition maneuvers as they perform this, the downward bomb burst. It's the opposing loop as they cross not once, not twice, but 3 total times. Let's watch for the cross. There's the third and final cross. Let's watch now from the left for this, the two-ship element formation loop. All the way through this looping, rolling maneuver. Let's listen in. Your eyes on the aircraft for what's about to happen as they set up now for the switchblade maneuver. Get ready, and there's the brake.
Well, what'd you think about the Airshow also?
That was awesome.
Yeah, it was. We got to see a lot of stuff here that wasn't at the Sun and Fun one that we went to in 2023.
Yeah.
So that was pretty cool. But we didn't get to see the Blue Angels today because the government shut down.
That's
So
all right.
luckily that red jet, I guess you call it.
L39.
Yeah, Brent knows all about it. Luckily, he filled in for him, so shout out to you.
That's pretty cool.
He was so fast, I could not track him with my camera, y'all. It was rough.
Yeah, he was running.
Like 500 miles per hour, I think. It was crazy.
And when you're here, I just can't sit still another minute.
They about to take this thing on a flight, y'all. They got 14 passengers in there. Good to go, we said. Where she goes off into the horizon. Hope they have a fun flight. Alright, we gonna get headed home.
Yeah.
I might stop and get me some discounted kettle corn.
Yeah.
Maybe it'll be discounted. It's about time to close. Yeah. I got my kettle corn and it was half off. Thank you, sweetie pie.
Well, thanks for bringing me here.
Oh yes, of course. Now we're, I guess, gonna leave and go find something to eat in Rome. But I don't come to Rome much, so I don't know what there is to eat
Pretty sure
here.
they have a lot of good places.
Yeah, surely. It looks like a big place on the
We
map.
just have to find town and then go from there.
Yeah, we'll just ride around till we find something
I don't
good.
think we're too far out.
No, we're not. We have made it to Broad Street. They're doing some kind of little festival, it looks like. We're going to the Harvest Moon Cafe. It looked good in the pictures. Our fried green tomatoes have arrived.
Those are
Wow. Get you a bite.
Those jalapenos are so good.
They're probably hot. Like temperature-wise, are they hot? Goes for the lettuce first.
Lettuce is good.
Eat the tomato.
The ranch is really good. Do you want a piece of lettuce?
I want you to try a tomato. We didn't come here for the lettuce.
There.
I don't want that.
No, seriously.
I don't want it.
It's
Thank you.
good.
I don't want it.
Hot.
Well.
It's really good.
Oh, good. I'm
It's different, but it's not bad.
gonna get me one now. That's good, y'all. Our food is here, and Brent is literally drooling in it. He got shrimp and grits. Look at that, y'all. Look how big
yours.
this plate is. That is a big plate. He said, look at yours.
Look at those mashed potatoes.
That's not mashed potatoes. That's cheese grits.
Oh! My bad.
All right, let's pray and dig into it. All right, grits taste test.
It's good, isn't it?
Heck yeah, it's good. Can't believe you got a whole bowl of this. Y'all, he's a child. Show him what you're doing. He splattered his sauce on his elbow. Now he's trying to clean it off. Come on, sweetie, you can do it. He's embarrassed. You need a napkin?
No.
He feels like he's being watched.
Our waitress is judging me bad. Be normal.
Be normal. Oh yeah, real normal. We're on the road now, headed back home. And we had a great time. I almost called it Sun and Fun at the Wings Over Northeast Georgia, I think. No, Northwest Georgia. Wings Over North Georgia. Maybe it's just Wings Over North Georgia, just all of North. Okay.
Wings over North Georgia.
Okay, we struggling, but yeah, I would highly recommend that, especially if y'all have kiddos too. We saw a lot of kids there.
Yeah, it was
So, yeah, it's a great time. I got way too much sun, as y'all can tell. Look at this. This is awful.
Yeah, but the weather was
I
perfect.
didn't think I would be getting sun in October, but here
Well,
we
that's the
are.
thing. It was overcast, but you don't realize you're
Yeah,
still getting pretty good
there's an
nights.
Airshow sign up there. But yeah, we're gonna head home. So, did you enjoy
3 hours
your
on
day?
the dot. Yes. Sure did.
We've had a great time looking at everything. He's thanked me probably about 20 times since we got done. But yeah, I knew he'd like that. He was definitely surprised. He did not guess that. He was guessing everything else though. Like I said earlier, he was guessing goat yoga, dirt bike races, NASCAR driving at some point. I was like, what? He guessed that we were going hunting. What was some other things he said?
The excavator park.
Yeah, in Pigeon Forge, you thought we might be going there.
I didn't know.
All kinds of stuff. He was guessing. It was so funny.
The zoo.
Yeah, the zoo. He really thought we was going to the zoo at one point. Seeing it.
Cars getting.
But anyways, we're gonna head home. So I will see y'all when we get there. We have made it back home to the northeast Georgia mountains now. So after waking up at 4 a.m. this morning, we're ready to go back to bed because it is now 9:01. So I guess we're gonna go to bed. So you have anything else you want to add, Brent? Nope.
No, thank you for taking me on a surprise trip.
Oh, you're welcome, sweet. But anyways, I guess that's all for this vlog. So as always, don't forget that God loves you and has a purpose for your life. And we will see you in the next one. Bye.